everyone, this is Ali Wacek from Sqr One, and today I'm going to take you through the steps that you should follow after you develop your customer journey mapping canvas. A lot of the projects that I've worked on, I know people get very excited, we finish the journey, but now what? So the very important phase after the journey is what I called beyond the journey. This is actually when you start looking at those opportunities that you created during your customer journey mapping canvas and actually start prioritizing them and really bringing them to life into a day-to-day operational perspective. The way you do that is by creating an opportunity development plan. So ask yourself, what is the impact and the effort that those opportunities will take on your opportunity development? You really will start looking at different patterns. You will start looking at those opportunities that are really high impact, but a lot of effort. So you probably will have those into your long-term maturity model. But if you start looking at those opportunities that are very high impact and low effort, very likely this will be the opportunities you will start implementing in your business right away. And you also start looking at your own maturity model. Some people call them customer experience maturity model, but ultimately it's your transformation, it's your change, it's that innovation that you're bringing in your business. And you can also call it Horizon 1, Horizon 2, and Horizon 3, which is ultimately a process that roughly takes at least 3 years to become fully customer-centric or fully human-centered. It's going to take a little bit of time, but what is really important is that you start putting those opportunities that are high impact and low effort on your Horizon 1, and then you move along and then actually start putting in Horizon 3. Those opportunities are high impact and high effort because you know they might take the longest, and you can break them down as you go on your maturity model program. Another good tactic after you develop your journey is to actually tell a story. You need to bring people on the journey, and you need to make everybody feel what it feels like to be that customer or that persona or that user who has those pains and those feelings that are quite frustrating when it comes down to that experience. So ask yourself, what are the opportunities that you can have on that journey right now that you can prioritize? What is the impact and the effort of those opportunities? And how are you going to tell the story? So you can bring people on the journey and you can continue on your maturity model in a seamless and probably easier way if you hadn't done any of these activities. This is all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Be compassionate and remember, we are people talking to people. Thanks a lot. Bye.
No, I don't want to watch Netflix and I don't want to take a nap. I'm fine.
For more tips and insights, visit our website at sqrone.com.au or follow Sqr One on social to learn how human-centered design can help you create better employee and customer experiences with empathy in mind.